Illustration 17. Solve the pair of equation 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 13. 5 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to minus 2. Dear friends, here we are going to assume 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. So for equation 1, 2 into 1 upon x plus 3 into 1 upon y is equal to 13. The same equation I have written in different form. So to explain you that I am taking 1 upon x is equal to a. So my equation now becomes 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Same way for equation 2. 5 into 1 upon x minus 4 into 1 upon y is equal to minus 2. 1 upon x is taken as a, so it becomes 5a, and 1 upon y is taken as b, so it becomes 4b is equal to minus 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3 and adding equation 1 and 2. So dear friends, my equation 1 was 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. I am multiplying it by 4, so I get 8a plus 12b is equal to 52. Same way, I am multiplying equation 2 by 3. So I am getting 15a minus 12b is equal to minus 6. Plus minus get cancelled. 15 plus 8 is 23a is equal to 46. So a is equal to 46 divided by 23. So a is equal to 2. Now I am substituting a is equal to 2 in equation 1. 2a is plus 3b is equal to 13. So a I have got as 2, so instead of a I am going to write 2. Plus 3b is equal to 13. 2 to the 4 plus, when moves to the right hand side becomes minus 13 minus 4. So 3b, b is equal to 9 upon 3. So b is equal to 3. Now dear friends, we have got a and b. A and b is not our answer because our a is 1 upon x and b is equal to 1 upon y. So 1 upon x, the value of a was 2. So x is equal to 1 upon 2. X is shifted on the right hand side, x is shifted on the right hand side, and 2 goes as division. So x is equal to 1 upon 2. Same way, b was 1 upon y. So 1 upon y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 1 upon 3. So my solution of the equation x is 1 upon 3 and y is equal to 1 upon 2 and y is equal to 1 upon 3. Now another illustration number 11. 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 1 is equal to 2. And second equation is 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. Now dear friends, in previous sum it was just x and y. Here it is x minus 1 and y minus 1 as denominator. So I am going to assume 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 upon y minus 1 is equal to b. So 5 into 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to a, that is 5a. 1 into 1 upon y minus 1, 1 upon y minus 1 is equal to b is equal to 2. So I am getting equation 3. Same way for second equation, 6 into 1 upon x minus 1. 1 upon x minus 1 is a, so 6a. 1 upon 1 minus y minus 2 is b, so 3b is equal to 1. So I am getting 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. That is my equation number 4. Multiplying equation 1 by 3 and adding equation 3 and 4. So multiplying equation 3, that is 5a plus b is equal to 2 by 3. So I am going to get 15a plus 3b is equal to 6. So and adding 6a minus 3b plus 1, that is equation 4. Plus minus get cancelled. So 15 plus 6 is 21. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So a is equal to 7 upon 21. So a is equal to 1 upon 3. Now substituting a is equal to 1 upon 3 in equation 3, that is 5a plus b is equal to 3. So a is equal to 1 upon 3. So 5 into 1 upon 3 plus b is equal to 2. So 5 upon 3 plus b is equal to 2. So taking 5 upon 3 on the right hand side, it becomes minus, and by taking LCM it becomes 6 minus 5 upon 3. So b is equal to 1 upon 3. Now dear friends, we have got the value of a and b, but a is nothing but 1 upon x minus 1. So a's value I written as 1 upon 3. So it becomes x minus 1 is equal to 3. X is equal to minus 1 shifted to the right hand side becomes plus. So x is equal to 4. Same way over here. B is equal to 1 upon y minus 2. So 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon y minus 2. So y minus 2 is equal to 3. So y is equal to minus 2 shifted to the right hand side. Y is equal to 5. So my solution is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Now this is a very important sum. Be careful. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. Upstream એટલે પાણીના ફોર્સના અગેન્સ્ટમાં જાય, એના અપોઝિટમાં જાય, અને ડાઉનસ્ટ્રીમ એટલે પાણીના ફ્લોની સાથે થાય, એટલે કે નદીના ફ્લોની સાથે, અને અપસ્ટ્રીમ એટલે નદીના ફ્લોના અપોઝિટ ડાયરેક્શનમાં જાય તો સ્પીડ ઘટી જાય. ડાઉનસ્ટ્રીમ હોય નદીના ફ્લોના સાથે જાય તો સ્પીડ વધી જાય. બી કેરફુલ. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water. So, we are going to assume the speed of boat in still water is equal to x kilometers per hour and the speed of stream is equal to y kilometers per hour. Now, the speed of boat downstream, that is again c, speed of boat in still water, that is x. Downstream matlab the force of water has been added, that is plus y kilometers per hour. The speed of boat upstream, still water x. Upstream matlab it is going in the opposite of the flow of water of the river, so it is the speed is going to decrease, so it is minus y, so x minus y kilometers per hour. So time, we know it very well. We can derive the formula of time by speed. We know it, speed is equal to distance upon time. So I make time is equal to distance upon speed. So boat goes 30 km upstreams. Let the time taken t1 is equal to 30 upon x minus y, because upstream was x minus y, and the boat goes 44 km downstream, that is time 2, 44 upon x. Downstream was x plus y, so 44. So this total time going upstream and downstream was 10 hours given to you. So my equation becomes 30 upon x minus y plus 44 upon x plus y is equal to 10. Same way, the boat goes 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream. So for 40 kilometers upstream, it will be 40 upon x minus y. Same what we have done previously. And downstream means 55 upon x plus y is equal to, it take total 13 hours. Now, we are going to assume 1 upon x minus y is equal to u and 1 upon x plus y is equal to v. For equation 1 upon x minus y is equal to 44 into 1 upon x plus y. So, we have taken 1 upon x plus y is equal to u. So, it will be 30u plus 44v minus 10 is equal to 0. I shifted this 10 on the left hand side. This 10 on the left hand side. So, this is my equation 1. Same way, I am going for equation 2. 40 into 1 upon x minus y is equal to 55 into 1 upon x plus y is equal to 13. So 1 upon x minus y is equal to u, so it is 40u, and 1 upon x plus y is equal to v, so it is 55v is equal to 13. I am shifting 13 on the left hand side, so it is going to be 40u plus 55v minus 13 is equal to 0. So I got the value of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. a1 is equal to 30, a2 is equal to 40, b1 is equal to 44, b2 is equal to 55, c1 is equal to 10, that is minus is equal to 10, and c2 is equal to 13. Okay, that is minus 10 and minus 13. So here we are writing x and y. So we have taken u and v, so we are going to write u and v. I have not written the whole formula b1, b2, c1, c2. I have just introduced the values over there and then going with cross multiplication. 44 into minus 13 minus 10 into 55. minus 10 into 40, minus 30 into minus 13, minus 30 into 55, minus 40 into 44. So after multiplying it, I am going to get u is equal to 572 minus 572 minus 550. V is equal to minus 400 minus 390. 1 upon 1650 minus 1760. So u is equal to 572 as it is, minus becomes plus, so it is 550, minus 400 as it is, minus becomes plus, so it is 390, and 1650 minus 1750, 1 upon minus 110. So subtracting 572 550 from 572, so u is equal to u upon minus 22. Same way 400 minus 390, because minus plus minus, v upon minus 10 is equal to 1. Comparing u with 1 upon minus 110 and u with minus 1 upon u upon v upon 10 with minus 100 minus 1 upon minus 110. So u is upon u upon minus 22, that is 1 upon minus 100. So u, I am taking this minus 2 on the right hand side, minus get cancelled, so u is equal to 1 upon 5. Same way v upon minus 10, v upon minus 10 is equal to 1 upon minus 100. V goes on as multiplication, minus get cancelled, so it is 1 upon 11. But that is not our final answer, because we have assumed 1 upon x minus y is equal to u. So 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1 upon 5. Cross multiplication, 5 is equal to x minus y. So x minus y is equal to 5. That is my equation 3. Same way 1 upon x plus y is equal to v. 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 11. So x plus y, 11 is equal to x plus y. So my x plus y is equal to 11 is equation 4. Dear friends, I have solved once the whole sum with cross multiplication, but still I am not getting the answer. Instead of that, I am getting two new formulas. Okay, that is two new equation, that is x minus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 11. So I am going to solve this equation by elimination method. Now you see x minus y and x plus y, there is opposite sign. So adding equation 3 and 4, that is x plus y is equal to 11, x minus y is equal to 5. Plus minus get cancelled, x plus x 2x, 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 upon 2, x is equal to 8. Now substituting x is equal to 8 in equation 4, x plus y is equal to 11. Instead of x I am going to write 8. 8 plus y is equal to 11. So y is equal to 11 minus 8. So y is equal to 3. Okay, now the speed of boat in still water, the speed of x is equal to 8 kilometers per hour and speed of stream is 3 kilometers per hour. Understand this sum properly, because you are going to solve this sum twice. Once by cross multiplication method, you will get an answer in the form of equation, that is x plus y, x minus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 11. I am solving this sum by cross multiplication method first. So I am getting x minus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 11. Okay, and then I am solving these two equations by elimination method. Okay, and so I am getting the value of x and y. Okay, dear friends, understand this sum properly, and if you are having any problem, please just ring me. Thank you.